Hey guys, it's Dallas of the Chat and the Chew. I was sitting here in the park, doing my lunch thing that I do. Took a bite and I said, hold up. This good sloppy burger will be a good video. So I'm back again. This is Wendy's. This is a double. And I am eating. And we're going to chat and chew. I don't even know what I got to chat about today. I just feel like chewing. So what's new in YouTube land? There's a lot of YouTube land going on right now. First it was the mukbang community. Now it's the beauty community. There's drama everywhere. Best thing to do is stay out of it. You know? I was wondering why some of my favorite YouTubers didn't really do collabs. I see why. Not all collabs are bad, of course. Of course. But I can certainly understand when some people say, nah, I'll pass. Because it's like, you don't know people. You know who they pretend to be, you know? But until you meet them, you don't know people. So, you know what I'm opening up? You know what I'm opening up? What do I like on my burgers? Barbecue sauce. I don't know why I still have the barbecue sauce on the burger thing going on. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I thought it was just a phase. Maybe it's just something I really like now. Could be. Yeah. I really thought it was a phase. Anyway. Yeah, so you don't know who people really are in the beauty community. It's not so much drama. Just life happening. With the whole Jeffree Star breakup. Then Nikki tutorials. Which I'm shocked about that. But it's not like it matters. I haven't even seen it. I scrolled through the comments like I haven't even seen no hate comments because we here for your makeup, girl. You know? And yeah, I figure these people aren't in our lives. So our opinions really don't matter. Just watch the makeup video and worry about your own self. You know? That's what it boils down to. Anyway. Today is a Thursday. I don't know when this video going to go up. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But on my way to New York tonight to hang out and relax for a few. And you know, just to get away. Sometimes we need a getaway. Even if it's not far. What's that Bobby Brown song? I gotta get away. That's how I feel. Barbecue sauce. Now, I could have used ketchup for my fries, but I don't have any. Anyway, what else is going on these internet streets? It seems like it's always something. It's always something with celebs. Barbecue sauce. And they only gave me one. Like, they act like it's literally coming out their pocket to give you barbecue sauce. Like, you could have gave me two, lady. Like, she was real stingy with it. Hungry? Yeah, I'm in the park. As you see. People are walking their dogs. Walking laps around the park. Guy that just walked by is an older guy. I would guess maybe in the 70s, 80s. But he laps this park literally, and it's a pretty big park. While I'm sitting here, he'll probably pass my car like a good 3 times. Like, sir. You are in great shape. And he's walking at a really good, like a good pace. A really good pace. Hold on. I'm taking this top off the barbecue sauce so I can get down in here. Get down on it. Get down in it. Get down in it. Hold up, there's a piece of burger in here. Whereas my niece says, boyga. A piece of boyga. I don't know where she got that accent from. Well, same thing people say about me. I don't know where you got that accent from. I don't know either. Okay. It's not a Philly accent. Because everybody in Philly don't sound like me. They say I have a southern drawl. And I'm not from the South, so I don't know why I have a southern drawl. See how they do me? You see how they do me? That was good. That was yummy. Yummy, yummy. I didn't make a mess in the car. Because you know I will make a mess in this car. So I am proud of myself. I'm not going to eat the rest of them fries. But you know, once your fries get cold, it's just not the same. The integrity of your fries changes. Listen, this peach lemonade. Listen. Whew. But that is it for this video. Again, happy 2020. Hope you're enjoying your new year. Hope all is going well. Thank you for chatting and chewing with me. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will chat and chew again with you real soon.